In this video, I'll show you how to solve Binance login issues step by step. By the way, later in this video, I'll show you the best way for even complete beginners to buy, sell, store, and exchange crypto. You don't want to miss it, so make sure to watch until the end. In order to fix Binance not logging in on your mobile device, first, you need to open the Play Store, search for Binance, and make sure the app is updated to the latest version. If it shows Update instead of Open, go ahead and update it. Next, there's another simple fix you can try. Find the Binance app on your device, long press it, tap the I for information in the top left corner, then go into Storage Usage and select Clear Cache. After that, try logging in again. If the issue persists, it's important to check whether the problem is on Binance's side. Open your browser and go to Binance website to verify that login services are not experiencing any outages or maintenance. This page shows today's issues, including major outages or services currently under maintenance. If there's nothing reported, I'd recommend waiting an hour or two before trying to log in again. I understand it's frustrating when there's no immediate solution, but sometimes these issues require a bit of patience. And that's it. As promised, if you're looking for the easiest way to buy, sell, store, and swap crypto, I recommend checking out Rockwallet. It's a super cool app that lets you stay in complete control of your crypto since it's non-custodial. Even if you've never bought any kind of cryptocurrency before and you're not tech savvy at all, Rockwallet will walk you through it step by step. You can install the app for free using the link in the description below. If you would like help installing Rockwallet and creating your account, click the video showing up on your screen. It's a detailed tutorial walking you through the exact steps to setting up and using Rockwallet.